children Montessori preschool parents. Hope you are all doing well in these trying times. In this video, I would like to demonstrate to you on how to present an activity known as absorbent and non-absorbent, which is found in our science area. For this activity, you can use a variety of absorbent and non-absorbent objects such as a sponge, cloth, stone, piece of wood, an eraser, a cardboard divided in half. One half will have absorbent as a heading and the other half non-absorbent as its heading. You will also need a glass bowl and a jug of water. This activity assists in further developing a child's concentration levels and patience. With a jug of water, a glass bowl, a sponge, tissue, a piece of cloth, an eraser, a piece of wood, and a stone. I also have a cloth to wipe just in case we mess with the water. So first you invite the child to come work with you. You bring your materials to the mat. And as you do so, you have to be slow and precise with your movements to make it easy for the child to observe what you are doing. And try by all means to talk less. Now, you briefly discuss what you are about to do. Tell the child that you are going to test the objects to see which will absorb water and which will not absorb water. Explain to the child that if the object fills up with water, then it is absorbent, and if it does not, then it is non-absorbent. Now show the child how to carefully pour water into the bowl. And now place the first object in water and observe. Then you take it out of water and squeeze it to see if it absorbed water or not. And if it does, you show the child where to place it under the correct column. Then you continue with the third to fourth object, and while placing them under correct columns. And when you are done, you show the child how to remove water from the bowl and how to use the cloth to dry the bowl and the jug and help the child to pack away.